As part of the Fiona Stanley Hospital team, it is important you are aware of our environmental management system and the role you play within it. Sound environmental management has a number of positive impacts on the day-to-day life of both staff and patients at the hospital. Here at FSH, we aim to manage the workplace in a manner that truly minimizes our environmental impact. Fiona Stanley Hospital is a large consumer of resources, energy, water and waste. Every year we use enough water to fill 113 Olympic-sized swimming pools and generate enough waste to fill 44 standard-sized squash courts. To help offset our impact, we are consistently seeking new ways to reduce our resource usage and waste. Long-term sustainability is crucial to the health of our hospital environment and that of our patients. Our goal is to be a leader of environmental practice within the healthcare industry. To achieve this, our environmental philosophy is made up of 4 key promises. We will gain and maintain an ISO 14001 accreditation, a globally regarded standard in environmental care. We will minimize utility consumption, including water, gas and electricity. We will minimize our greenhouse gas emissions, and we will manage our conservation areas in perpetuity. This philosophy is applied across all areas of the hospital, and it is important that all staff help to meet these promises. You can help reduce the volume of waste we produce by being conscientious when disposing of rubbish around the hospital. More than 50% of waste from Fiona Stanley Hospital ends up in landfill, the majority of which could be recycled if disposed correctly. We can reduce that figure by placing our rubbish and waste in the correct bins. Plastics, paper and glass should be placed into appropriate recycling bins and ensure clinical waste is segregated to ensure it is disposed in a safe and sustainable way. Turning off lights, computers and other electrical equipment that isn't being used at the end of the day, as well as taking advantage of public transport when possible, will help us reduce our greenhouse emissions. And we can better manage our water usage by reporting leaking taps and also ensuring toxic materials or chemicals are not disposed down our drains and sinks. It's also important we conserve our local native environment and protect the local flora and fauna found on site. Avoid entering conservation areas and garden beds, and report any animal sights, including snakes, cats, rabbits and Carnaby black cockatoos, and be on the lookout for the European house borer, as FSH is located within the priority management zone for this pest. It is the responsibility of everyone at Fiona Stanley Hospital to help us meet our environmental commitments. To help us better our environmental performance, we need you to help by reducing our waste to landfill by using the correct bin, reducing our pollution by not flushing chemicals, pharmaceuticals, or inappropriate items, reducing our energy use by turning off equipment when not in use, and conserving our environment by not littering, especially cigarette butts. Your feedback and actions are highly valued, and together we can maintain our environment for staff and patients alike.